All right, guys, next up, we got break number 16 of our 2022 Super Break Super Glow Series 2 One-Time Multi-Sport Edition. So you've got one autographed glow card per box, and every case guarantees you at least one Brock Purdy autographed number to 5 or less. You've got guys like Steph Curry, Giannis, Mike Tyson, Julio Rodriguez, Ronald Acuna Jr., guys like Charlie Sheen. There's some cool cards that you can find in here. So we're using 20 total last name letters. Every spot gives you 2 of those. So Lee, you've got 2 spots in this. Michael H with 3. Brett's got 3. And David closed us out with the last 2. All right, let's go ahead and randomize our letters. So how's you guys' brackets looking? Our work staff did a bracket on ESPN, and not a single person. Actually, I take that back. It's like 30 of us. Like only 2 people have any of the 4 remaining teams. This has been the craziest NCAA tournament I've seen in a long time. I had Houston and Arizona in the final, so